Okay, hello dear friends, good afternoon. Such a beautiful fall afternoon. And this is a loser unboxing. I am very proud. Not yet. I am very happy to do loser unboxing because every time I do loser unboxing, it's because it's something that I like. I'm ready to spend money, and I lose my money in a sense, but it's an absolute winner for the product. Oh, look at the packaging. It's a very good packaging. Just perfectly timed, not much movement, a little bit, but very good, neat box. I can later on reuse. One of the reasons I shop online is that because I can buy, I can use the box. So this one is light for video making, and I buy it. So I have seen there are ring light. I just do not like ring light. Ring light is very big, and one of the reasons is that it reflects on the glasses, and on the eyes have a ring in your eye. And I wear glasses, you will see those funny rings on my glasses. It's not good, so I decide to buy this light. So there is one black color, one white color, and I choose the white color because it's $1 cheaper than the black one, and the price is $23 for the black and $22 for the white. So I think it should be good. I usually, you have seen, I use the lighting of my just a normal lamp light, and I put a piece of sticker or put something like this to cover it. And this one has a matte surface. I think this is the good one to make the surface matte. Let me see if I can use it already charged or not. This is on. Oh my goodness, it's already charged. Wow, this is already charged. I think you can adjust the light, and this is the light. This is M. Let's see, M. This must be medium. Oh, off. Oh, what is going on? Oh yeah, on. It's charged 3 M. What is M? I do not know what is M. I will check what it is M. So this is quite light. What is going on here? Going up. Oh, okay. It can be even stronger. M, okay, I got it. M is minimum, must be, not maximum. So you put it to the strongest, off, on, and you put it smaller. Let's see. It's off. Bigger. Oh, level 3, level 4, level 5. Okay, 5 levels. Okay, we will go to, I will increase level 2, level 3, level 4, level 5. Let's go to the other room. And oh, that's so bright. Okay, I will turn it off. There are 3 hot. There is 1 hot, cold shoe. What does it mean, cold shoe? I can put my tripod. There is something to put it here, so I can use 1, 2, 3. The good thing, if I do video like this, this is a light, and I am talking, this is on my left side, and let's do it. I do writing, painting, and the microphone can put here, a small microphone, not too heavy, or you can put here, you can put here, or you can add extra light. See, this is it's kind of edible. This one, add one more, add two more, add three more. You can do multiple lights to give the light stronger. I like it. Let's go to take a test of it, okay? Usually I use this light and put a piece of paper to cover it up. So here is this tripod. I will take this one out and change into my light. Yes. This is the light, and they are the same brand, these two, Ulanzi, and this is the headphone, or maybe I can put it here. Are you seeing what I'm seeing, so that it's not too tall? Okay, that... yes, you are seeing what I'm seeing. Okay, now I fix my line. This is the camera. And the camera, you can just do like this, put it on, and start, cancel. We will, how do I cancel? We will do only, why? Forgot how to. I think there is a function that you do not even need to open it just to do the picture. No? Apple. 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 Anyway. Okay, I put on here and face to me. Now I am going to do a video. Turn this one on. Voila. This is the lowest. So this is me with it. Still, it's, the glasses is not good. Okay, we will give it a try, just like this. Okay, hello dear friends. Here I have the microphone, and this one is without lighting, and I use the lamp light. This is the lamp light directly on my face, which is not comfortable. I will take off the lamp light and I will turn on this light. Give me 1 minute. Yes, so this one is on, and still you can see the glasses here and a big square here. Oh gosh, that's so strange, my glasses. So I take it out And this is the lowest power. Maybe it should be a little bit towards me. There is no way you slant the light. And this is a light in the lowest power. Now I go max, first, second, one level up. Do I need that strong? Another level up, 1, 2, another level up. Oh my goodness, another level up, another level up. Maybe if I am a little bit further away, it will be good. This is the strongest power. And the good thing about using this, that it's very entertaining in the sense that you can count my freckles one at a time until you are exhausted to sleep. And it's very meditative, it's very entertaining, and it's very self-confirming, so that you know you are better than me. It's very encouraging. You have a cleaner face than me. Okay, I put it to the lowest. Give me 1 minute. Okay, I totally turn it off, and let me see if I put the background. Totally no light. And this way, I am thinking using this one, and there is no light of myself, and I will put the lowest. Yes, this is the lowest. I do not know whether it's good or not, but that's about it. Maybe I put myself a little bit further away will be good. And that is the lighting of it. It's a little bit slanted, and I feel it's a little bit better than the ring light, because the ring light is just too big. And shall we? Why not? Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do. One level up. A bit too much, right? And to even one level up. It's not comfortable to the eyes if you put too strong. One level up. I think we are at the strongest. 1, 2. Okay, one level up. This is the strongest. And I think not only can you see the freckles, but also you will see the rice, the yogurt, the onion skin, and broccoli flower. Okay, I put it to the lightest. Actually, there is no need for it. Maybe in the middle of the night I need it.